In the groovy lights of a city so bright strolled a 70s cat without a care in sight. He sang with such flair, disco vibes in the air. But his song was cut short when the fuzz rolled up near. Bars locked that night and the beat went still. Funky fist clenched, disco dreams unfulfilled. He still wanted to sing, still clung on to hope, but spent his time worried about dropping the soap. When he finally got out, he found the world so unkind. AI-generated beats and songs had him sidelined. No creativity, no flair, no stage to claim, so he robbed a liquor store and said AI was to blame.